set, ready for racing. Race number 6, racing just is started. We have cool reception, break quickly at the start. Rushing up now at the Janssen is touch of class. Coquette is racing in third. Be My Baby comes next, then comes Janet Lynn and opposed, while Matikas is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have cool reception. Touch of class is on the outside. A length and a half further back in third comes Coquette. 4 lengths back in fourth comes Be My Baby and opposed Janet Lynn, while Matikas is still running at the tail of the field. Half mile distance they traveled. We have cool reception maintaining a half length lead. Touch of class in second. Coquette is racing in third. Be My Baby is down in fourth. Then comes unopposed Janet Lynn, while Matikas still running at the tail of the field. And at the fourth turn, cool reception moving up now at the outside is Be My Baby. We have the complexion of the race has been changed with Be My Baby now takes command. Cool reception shuffle back in second. Coquette, touch of class, Matikas, unopposed Janet Lynn as they swing for home. We have Be My Baby this time by about 4 lengths. Coquette in second. Cool reception, unopposed Matikas. Last 75 meters we have Be My Baby followed by Coquette, and finally Be My Baby. Coquette, then comes Cool Reception, unopposed Matikas, Touch of Class, and Janet Lynn.
4-3, 7-3-1-2.